Next section, learning process. Learning process and levels. First, perception, rote memory. Second, processing, understanding. 3, converging. 4, diverging, thinking. 5, assimilating, application. 6, accommodating, correlation. Detail going on. First, perception, the way we take in information. Second, processing, how we deal with information. This is represented on the diagram as 2 axes dividing the cycle into 4 quadrants. Each quadrant represents a different learning. Processes as follows. Look at this diagram. 4 quadrants. Accommodating, diverging, assimilating, converging. Active experimentation, concrete experience, reflective observation, abstract conceptualization. Three, converging. Process relate to bringing a number of perspectives to finding a single answer. Is it right or wrong? You may use this way of thinking in scientific context. 4, diverging. Processes are about generating a number of accounts of different experiences. Typically, these are more creative processes. 5, assimilating. Processes describe the taking in of new knowledge, six, accommodating. Processes describe the related of new knowledge to our prior experiences and beliefs. Look at this picture. Basic levels of learning: rote, understanding, application, correlation. How people learn: sight 75%, hearing 13%, touch 6%, smell 3%, taste 3%. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.